Okay, this is only the second day that I've been able to hunt this year. It's rifle season in Missouri. And these past 2 days, the wind's been blowing pretty hard. So I doubt that I'll even see one. I'm gonna try. This is where I'm hunting. Got some pretty good shots. So, if I get one, I'll be back.